Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see how to clean AC filters of Hisense AC. First we'll open the front cover by pulling the latch from both the sides. And then we'll hold the tab provided on the filter to push it up and pull it out. We can do like this for both the filters that are present on the AC. As you can see, this is very dirty because it has been working for a few months like this. As you can see, I have removed both the filters now, and there is a little dust on the fins of the AC as well. We can clean this with a toothbrush or a soft cloth. Now we'll remove the vitamin filter that is provided inside the larger filter, and we will not wash this one because its content might get washed away. So now we'll put the larger filter directly under running water and remove all the dirt that is present on the filter by just keeping it under the water, as you can see now. Once all the dirt is removed, we can keep this filter to dry, and it won't take a long time to dry. And or the vitamin filter, we can just clean it using a cloth or a brush. So I'll just rub it with a cloth to remove whatever little bit dirt will be there is there on the filter. So now I'm trying to remove it with a toothbrush, as you can see. Once it is clean, we can put it back on the larger filter and put the larger filter back to the AC. Thanks for watching. See you next time.